Outstanding design defines the 2013 Chevrolet Sonic. This four-door, five-passenger sedan stands out among competitors in its class. Performance and efficiency are both prioritized thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, favoring both performance and efficiency. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as front and rear reading lights, heated seats, front fog lights, heated door mirrors, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as a panic alarm, OnStar, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.